If you need to organize information clearly in a presentation, adding a table in LibreOffice Impress is one of the easiest ways to do it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add a table step by step so you can place data, compare details, and make your slides look more professional. This is a simple process, but once you know where to click, it becomes very fast and easy to repeat in any presentation. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Let's get into it. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. If you're starting from scratch, look on the left side under Create and click Impress Presentation. That will open a new presentation file. If you already have a presentation that you want to work on, you can open that existing file instead. Either way works perfectly, as long as you're inside LibreOffice Impress and ready to edit a slide. Once your presentation is open, take a moment to choose the slide where you want the table to appear. This part is important because the table will be inserted into whichever slide is currently selected. So, if you want the table on a specific slide, click that slide first before moving on. This helps you avoid adding the table to the wrong place and saves you from having to move it later. Now that your slide is selected, go up to the top menu and click Insert. This menu contains different objects you can add to your slide, like images, shapes, and other elements. For this tutorial, we're focusing on tables, so after clicking Insert, look for the table option and click it. This will open the table insertion settings, where you can decide the size of your table before placing it on the slide. At this point, you'll need to choose how many rows and columns you want. Think about what kind of information you're presenting. If you're comparing items, listing categories, or showing organized data, pick a table size that gives you enough room without making the slide too crowded. You can keep it simple with just a few columns, or make it larger if your content needs more space. Take your time here, because the number of rows and columns controls the overall layout of the table. After selecting the rows and columns, click OK. LibreOffice Impress will then add the table directly onto your selected slide. Once it appears, you can begin entering your content and adjusting the table as needed. If the table is a little too large or too small for your slide, you can resize it after it's been inserted. You can also reposition it so it fits neatly with the rest of your presentation content, and that's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you've added a table in LibreOffice Impress and made your slide much easier to read and understand. Tables are great for breaking information into clear sections, and they can make your presentation look more organized and polished. So whether you're creating a school project, a business report, or a training deck, this is a useful feature to know. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.